Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add account in your SHEIN app. So what you're going to do first is just open the SHEIN application and make sure that you're logged into your account. So once you're here, go ahead and tap on the Me tab at the bottom right and click on the setting icon at the top right corner. And then you just have to scroll all the way down and tap on the switch accounts. So in here, you have the option to add account. So click on that one and you have here to put the email or the phone number. And you can also just log in using Google, Facebook, and Apple. So it depends on you, but you can just also put here the phone number or the email and then tap on continue and then create a password. So that's pretty much it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!